keep motivated when you know that there's not going to be any, unless there's some miracle turnaround, there's not going to be a playoff this year? It's a process, and it may take years before you guys get to where you want to be.
Just know that the better days are ahead of us. That's what keeps us all motivated, and just to get to the playoffs. That's a goal we're trying to set. If we continue to work hard every day in practice, work on our individual games, we'll get there.
Who do you talk to during this time to kind of keep you grounded and get you through what's going on now?
I lean on my teammates. They're always with us every day, so they know what I'm going through as well. So, I lean on them as much as possible, and they help me out. So, those are the best guys, to talk to during this time.
The crowds have been terrific in Oklahoma City this year. How surprising is that for you?
That's unbelievable. No matter how much we're losing, they always support us. So that's what we need from a crowd. And, they keep us in games as well. So, we're glad we're in Oklahoma playing. It's a great place to play, a great place to live as well. So, we just got to bring some wins to them.
Do you still think ultimately your best position is 3 in this league?
Yeah, I think so. Scotty has been playing at 3 and 4 since the coaching change, and that's been helping. I'm getting more rebounds, more blocks, and helping my team defensively better. And I think that's my position, my natural position, which is a 3 and 4.
How tough was it to go through that change with PJ getting fired?
It was tough because he's the guy that that I was with as soon as I got into the league, and that's gonna stick with me forever. And he's been a great help. But obviously it was time for a change, and we did. And Scotty's been great as far as helping me out, changing positions, and getting acquainted with different positions, getting closer to the box. So I'm having fun, and I feel like I'm getting better as well.